Welcome to Animal Kingdom of Sri Venkateswara Zoological Park in Tirupati, named after Lord of Seven Hills. Opened to public in 1993 with an objective to act as an ex situ facility for native fauna and to promote conservation, education, research, captive breeding and recreation. Zoo is located in Tirupati town at the foothills of spectacular panoramic backdrop of Seshachalam Hills of Eastern Ghats in Andhra Pradesh. This city is one of the busiest and richest pilgrimage cities in the world, reachable in 8 kilometers from Tirupati railway station and bus stand, 20 kilometers from airport, 5 kilometers from Alipiri and Kapilatirtham, and 1 kilometer from Cherlopalli crossroads. This zoo attracts the visitors from across the world with its display facility developed on unique mythological theme in 250 hectares out of 2,212 hectares earmarked. Having large enclosures with natural ambience, housed with 1,014 specimens and 81 species, highlighting their role depicted in Indian culture and literature. To enjoy watching animals, visitors should buy a ticket and avail the facility of driving their car or hiring battery-operated vehicles or by walking on free walkways. Except for lion and deer safari, need to hire special safari van and ensure strictly to follow the zoo ethics such as do not enter into restricted areas, do not tease or feed animals, do not throw food or any other items in enclosures, and maintain cleanliness. Breach of any of these ethics will be liable for action as per Wildlife Protection Act. The zoo walkthrough begins with a route map starting from Kishkinda that depicts variety of monkeys such as in Angada Dvipa you can see Hamadryas baboon. Next in Wali Dweep you can see rhesus macaque, and in Sugriva Dweep you can see Hamadryas baboon. Opposite to this you will find the tallest animal, the giraffe, in Chitrotsravanam. Near this enclosure you will find few facilities such as RO safe and pure drinking water, rest shelters and resting chairs, and as well you will find the battery vehicle boarding point. Further in Marichavanam you can see spotted deer, and in front of this you will find bird aviary, that is Kalindi Sarovaram. In this you can watch migratory birds such as rosy pelican, grey pelican, etc. Further next you will find variety of wild pheasants in Chitrakoota-vanam. Here you can see golden pheasant, silver pheasant, Khalis pheasant, ring-necked pheasant, white payfall, red jungle fowl, red spur fowl, grey jungle fowl, painted spur fowl, peafowl and partridge. Opposite to this you will find deer and antelope species adjacent to each animal, that is in Kanithivanam you will find sambar and black buck in Krishna Mrigavanam, and opposite to this is Harina Vanam. Here you can see swamp deer and hog deer in the same enclosure. Opposite to this you can find Indian gaur in Mahishavanam. Further opposite to this is Gokul Vanam. In this you can see Nilgai, the blue bull. Here visitors can also find one of the canteens to buy snacks and also one more restaurant, that is Zoo Inn, located after the zoo exit. Further next in Vrukavanam you will find wolf. Here you will also find the boarding point for enthusiastic deer and lion safari ride. And then exit lead to Vihangavanam. Here you can watch colorful parrots, which includes green-winged macaw, Eclectus parrot, chattering lory, Jende conure, house sparrow, sun conure, Hans macaw, red lory, Livingston turaco, albino budgerigar, Lutino budgerigar, pied cocktail, grey cocktail, plum-headed parakeet, Alexandrine parakeet, African grey parrot, white cockatoo, sulphur-crested cockatoo. After this, it leads to Kandava Mrigavanam. Here you can see Chausinga. And coming back to the main route leads to magnificent carnivorous starts with Chitrakavanam that depicts jaguar. And in Bagheeravanam, which has leopard, followed by Vyagravanam, tiger, followed by Bharatvanam, lion, also followed by Saktivanam, includes white tiger. And walking further, next is Damanakavanam, where you can see jackal, and adjacent to it, Karkatakavanam, you can see porcupine with long sharp quills. Next to this is Sunakavanam, that is very agile wild dog. Very next to this is Dandakaranyavanam. Here you will find hyena. And further in Jambavantavanam is the sloth bear. And opposite you will find the wild boar in Varahavanam. Little ahead in Open Butterfly Park, you can watch colorful butterflies. And further in Vasuki Nivas, you can see python. And back to the main route, you will find unique monkeys in Naladweep, such as mandrill, olive baboon, and stump-tailed monkey. Followed by this is Airavatavanam, depicts elephants. And opposite you will find crocodiles in Makara Nivas, such as saltwater crocodile and gharial. Next you will find the biggest birds on earth, ostrich in Ushtrapakshivanam and emu birds in Emu Nivas. Coming back to the main route in Neelavanam, you can see langur. Finally, at the end, you can see types of water birds in Manasa Sarovaram, such as white ibis, painted stork, etc. In Sukavanam, you can watch parakeets. Further towards exit gate is the Bioscope Museum, exhibiting flora, fauna, culture, and geology of Seshachalam Hills, and also having zoo shop and leads to zoo exit. We thank you for watching the zoo orientation video and we wish you a happy walkthrough. Please enjoy and experience your memorable moments with care. Let us join hands to keep the rhythm of animals safe. Please be kind to animals. Thank you.